Did you know that international regulations are essential to ensure the safety and efficiency of BESS systems? From fire protection to risk management, these rules are essential for any energy project. In this video, we will explore 3 key standards: UL 9540A, NFPA 855, and IEC 62933. Find out how these standards impact the installation and operation of your storage systems. What is UL 9540A? This standard evaluates the spread of fires in lithium-ion battery systems, with specific tests to ensure that fires do not spread to other modules. Key requirements are thermal spread tests to verify the resistance of individual cells, evaluation of the fire resistance of modules and racks, integration of extinguishing and forced ventilation systems to mitigate risks. As an example, in a project in California where UL 9540A prevented problems in the initial system design. What does NFPA 855 cover? This standard regulates the safe installation of BESS, focusing on fire protection, physical separation, and detection systems. Key requirements are minimum distances between storage systems and adjacent structures, implementation of automatic fire suppression systems, such as sprinklers and alarms, integration of battery management systems, BMS, to disconnect modules in case of failure. As an example, a solar plant in Texas that adapted its design to comply with the minimum distance established in NFPA 855. What is IEC 62933? An international standard that establishes technical and safety requirements for BESS systems, from energy efficiency to protection against electrical faults. The key requirements are minimum energy efficiency to minimize losses during charge and discharge cycles, durability testing under extreme temperature and humidity conditions, overload and power failure protection systems, such as automatic disconnects. As an example, a project in Germany improved the durability of its system by implementing the IEC 62933 criteria. As a summary, UL 9540A, it is focused on fire resistance and thermal spread. NFPA 855. It is the standard for safe installation and fire protection. IEC 62933 focuses on energy efficiency and durability. AS recommendations. Make sure you comply with UL 9540A if you work with lithium-ion batteries. Adopt NFPA 855 for U.S. projects and IEC 62933 for international standards. Complying with these regulations not only ensures the safety of your systems, but also the confidence of investors and customers. If you need advice to ensure regulatory compliance for your projects, contact me on LinkedIn. Together we can ensure that your BESS systems are efficient, secure, and profitable. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to keep learning about BESS systems.